I love that. And okay, we're still kind of on the same page whereby, I can see like right now on a t-shirt it's reduce, reuse, recycle, which is like a motto in with us lovers of the environment. So I'm just trying to, give me an in-depth of where that came from, all this idea of recycling. Was it just on the part of, trying to reduce the waste, or as in you growing up in a scenario whereby waste is like you never, see anything as waste, but you recycle it, or has there any environmental background related to it?
Um, I'd say a little bit of everything you just asked. First of all, to start with, it's always been my parents inspiring me to be able to be the change that I want to see.
Okay.
So, like I stated earlier on, we saw a problem with waste in the community. It was something that myself and a number of people in the community complained about.
Yeah.
So the question that came up that I asked my wife was, if we're going to wait for somebody else to come and clean, no one will ever come.
Yes.
So I've grown up with the notion that if you want to see change in something, you should be the change that you want to see. So hence the reason why we began by cleaning up our yard. We started with our yard, and then eventually we started to convince our neighbors that we could take on their trash because we had a plan. The idea first came up when I actually saw a video. This idea wasn't necessarily ours, neither did we start it, but it was an inspiring video that we saw that came from Cameroon.
Okay.
There used to be a former football player. Apparently, his foundation is still running right now. So what they did is take waste and decided to make a fortune out of waste.
Great.
So we learned from that, and then from that we've been inspired to do the same, follow within suit, and we've decided to also branch out into various other aspects of recycling.